Big Zephyr, Big Zephyr, Big Zephyr, Big Zephyr. First of all, rest in peace, Virgil Abloh. Don't spill no drink on my clothes when I'm Louis V dripping. Don't like stress in my dome. Straight to the head when I'm 1942 sipping. Been wavy since morning. No, they talk to me in public. Mix my drink with a little molly. Smoke my weed to the claro. Lamborghini driver, Ferrari 458 Italia. I really spent $1 million just to Richard Millie. And now I'm willy-nilly through the city.